Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 23, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 23, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, February 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 23, 2025 Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, February 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of February 23, 2025 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.